the best you can get. I don't care what anybody says. I wouldn't be using it if it wasn't. This is not my company. I just promote it because I love it. That's all there is to it. This pad was used yesterday. I'm going to show you how easy it cleans up. Most other compounds and stuff, you're going to have to wash your pads and let them dry overnight. This compound, it turns to dust. I usually fluff it up, give it a couple spins. Turns straight to dust, doesn't cake up. That's like a like new pad. Same with the polish pad. That was used from yesterday. I'll do the same thing. You don't have to wash the pads with this. But it cuts the fastest, doesn't leave swirls, doesn't haze up, doesn't die back. Two steps pretty much. Over 3,000 grit finished sand. This has been 1,500, 2,000, and 3,000. I like to finish up to 3,000. Buffs out a little faster than 2,000 or 1,500. Yeah, wool pad, polish pad, same stuff. Do a quick spot, show you how quick it works. When you got an edge like that, or you always want to buff off of your edge, never against the edge because you'll burn. Even with this stuff, definitely help stop from burn through because of less heat. Very little heat with this stuff. Most compounds are going to get a lot of heat and that'll burn through the paint. It cost you a lot of money, so, and a lot of time. Now this stuff stays wet for a while. I can compound this, which I'm calling it compounding, but because I'm using a wool pad. But I'll cut it and then polish it without even wiping it down in between. Any other system, you're gonna have to wipe down and fully clean it before you move to the next step. With this stuff, you don't necessarily have to do that, because it'll stay wet, and you move straight to polish if you know you've buffed it good enough. Of course, you can wipe it down to inspect, go back, hit it a little more if you need to, but usually 2, 3, 4 passes with the wool pad gets it done. A couple passes with the polish pad, and you're done. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's not a gimmick. I wasn't a believer till I tried it either. Kept hearing about it, got a bottle, haven't looked back. Simple as that.